Now see the distribution of land. How is land distributed between the farmers of Palampur? In Palampur, about one third of the 450 families are landless. That is, 150 families, most of them have no land for cultivation. Of the remaining families who own land, 240 families cultivate small plots of land less than 2 hectares in size. Now all of you look at this figure. Then from this you will know. Now 2 hectares means the 240 family cultivate small plot of land means this one. This small plot of land, that is called, which is less than 2 hectares in size. And cultivation of such plots does not bring that much income to the farmer family. And then rest of the 60 families of medium and large farmers who cultivate more than 2 hectares of land, like this. More than 2 hectares of land means this. A few large farmers have land extending over 10 hectares or more. This means from this it is clear that if the plot of land is small or less than 2 hectares in size, then the cultivation is there, but it will not give that much of income to the farmer's family. Now see this one. Who the labor? After land, labor is the next necessary factor for production. Farming requires a great deal of hard work. Small farmers, what they are doing, along with their family, they work in their own field. So the problem is not for the laborers. But the people like the farmers, those who are the medium and the large, hire farm laborers to work on their field. Farm laborers either come from the landless families or families cultivating small plots of land. But nowadays it is found that due to the modern technologies like the tractors, harvester, thresher, these machines, they are doing the work of 10 laborers. So the demand of laborers in the village nowadays becoming day by day less. And because of all this reason, many laborers or the landless people, they are moving towards the city in search of work. Then they are working near the construction site or the road construction, dam construction or flyover construction, wherever the construction site is there, they are coming to the towns in search of work. Now see here, the conversation between the Dalal and the Ramkali. Here also they are facing the same problem. What the Ramkali is saying, she is saying that because of the modern technology, harvester, tractors and all that, the demand of the laborers are becoming day by day less in the villages. That is why now she decided to go to Raiganj. And you know very well, Raiganj is a big village. It is near to the Palampur, 3 kilometers away. Now she decided to go there and work in the brick construction, where the brick making factories are there, no small factories. There she is deciding to work there. Means though the modern technology is there, advantage is also there and the disadvantage is also there. Now the capital. Now we need the capital for doing any work. What we need? The capital. In the same way, the farmers also, they need a capital. That time then what happened? Small farmers, they do not have this much of the capital, then they have to borrow the money to arrange for the capital. They borrow from large farmers or the village money lenders or the traders who supply various inputs for cultivation. The rate of interest on such loan is very high. They are put to get distress to repay the loan. In contrast to the small farmers, the medium and large farmers have their own savings from farming. This medium and the large farmers, what they are doing? They are having their own savings from farming. They are thus able to arrange for the capital needed. Now from this it is clear that among the three factors of production, we found that labor is the most abundant factor. Now see this one. Though both land and capitals are scarce, there is a basic difference between the two factors of production. That is the land and the capital. Land is fixed. It is a natural resource. And how is the capital? Capital is a man-made. It is possible to increase the capital, whereas land is fixed. Therefore, it is very important that we take good care of land and other natural resources.